With crypto prices once again on the brink of hitting all-time highs, Bitcoin sitting at $108,000 today, people are out there wondering which cryptocurrencies they should buy now. And a diverse portfolio is a risk-averse portfolio. And we're going to be talking a little bit about that in this video. I'm going to be going over the 17 best cryptos to buy now in July of 2025. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now, 17 cryptocurrencies may seem like a lot, so we're going to go through this rather quickly here. But a portfolio between 10 and 20 positions allows you to diversify the risk, but at the same time, maintain enough exposure so that, of course, if they do move higher in value, you're going to be able to see a very nice increase in your overall position. If you were to go out there and let's say, you own 200, 300 different cryptocurrencies, you're going to extremely dilute yourself to the point where, well, if one of them runs, is it really going to do that much if you own 200 different tokens? So you can read through this entire article for yourself, but I'm going to scroll on down and we're going to talk about this entire list. Top 17 crypto coins to invest in 2025. These crypto projects combine emerging technologies and established market leaders, each representing or presenting unique opportunities for growth and returns. Token 6900. Now this is number one. This is the anti-S&P 500 for the always-on trader. Now this is still in its ICO stages, and as you guys can see, very similar to SPX 6900. This has got more of a retro style website to it. But these guys have already raised $156,000, and they are continuing to raise very quickly. Next up on the list, SnorterBot. Now, Snorter is a Solana and EVM sniper bot that lives on Telegram and gives exclusive low fees for token holders. If you guys have not seen Snorter token yet, they're building a trading bot so that you guys can go out there and get some of the fastest trades in the entire industry at some of the lowest fees in the entire industry as well. Now, Bitcoin Bull. Bitcoin Bull is going to be launching in the next 2 days and 21 hours. So if you want to grab some now. And this token is going to reward you with Bitcoin airdrops the better that Bitcoin does. So as Bitcoin hits all-time highs, Bitcoin Bull could be seeing some very nice gains. Bitcoin Hyper. This is the world's first layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin, which could bring extreme utility knowing that you have cheaper fees and faster transactions. Best Wallet token. Next up on the list, if you guys are interested in investing in an actual utility token that already has a wallet, very similar to Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, and so on, Best Wallet could be one of the best opportunities out there. Not only does it have a wallet that is already usable, they've got one of the best crypto launch pads in the entire industry. You can Google that. It's ranked number one on a lot of different lists. Subtoken. This is an innovative way for content creators to merge a little bit closer with their fans. And this is interrupting a multi-billion-dollar industry, allowing content creators to be paid in cryptocurrency as opposed to traditional fiat. Next, Snaky Way. Snaky Way is a tiny little meme coin. Choke that snake and make your fortune on this Snaky Way. These guys have raised $160,000 so far. And in the next 1 day and 7 hours, the price is going to rise again. So make sure to check this one out if you're interested in a very, high risk, but potentially extremely high reward play. Little Pepe. This is one that we have seen a lot of in terms of the Pepe plays out there, having raised $3 million so far. Its next goal is $4.4 million. This is stage 4 of its pre-sale. And as you guys can see, this is an Ethereum virtual machine layer 2 blockchain that is being built here for the iconic Pepe. So make sure to check that one out. And it's a zero tax on trading and promises high-speed transactions as well. Next up, SpacePay. This is a crypto payment software compatible with existing point-of-sale terminals. Now, this could be extremely important for those that are interested in utilities. So make sure to check out the link for SpacePay as well. BNB. Now, BNB is Binance's token, and I do own some BNB. I own the majority of these tokens here. I don't own every single one of them, but I do own the majority of these tokens. And BNB, around $600, is doing a very good job to continue rising. Solana, by far my favorite blockchain out there. Solana could fuel this retail pump during the upcoming bull market rally. Ripple, a global payments coin that is attracting banks after its win against the SEC. And with Solana and XRP next on the list for exchange-traded funds here in the United States, we can see some very big gains in both of those tokens. Bitcoin, world's largest crypto and leading the market as the halving event approaches. We're talking about Bitcoin here. Halving event is already over, so I don't know. That took place earlier. But nonetheless, Bitcoin sitting at $107,400. We are breaking through all-time highs, guys. This is a phenomenal graph. And honestly, long-term, the graph looks even better. So make sure to check out Bitcoin and have a little bit of exposure to the first and biggest cryptocurrency in the world. United Nations of Memes. This is an AI-driven meme coin offering cross-chain trading, if you guys are interested in moving from one blockchain to another. Arbitrum, this is an Ethereum layer 2 that offers cheaper and faster transactions, which is ideal for dApps. So if you're going out there and you want to bring even more utility to a blockchain, you need to increase speed and you need to increase efficiency. Uniswap, the world's largest decentralized exchange, is poised for gains as bull market boosts trading volume. And the more that people are trading, right, this makes perfect sense. The more the people are trading, the more they're going to go out to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, the more they're going to trade. And of course, Uniswap charges a very small fee, so the more Uniswap makes, the better their token can do. And finally, Dogecoin. This is the top meme coin likely to gain as traders return to a hot crypto market. Right now, with a level of 55 greed, 55 neutrality, depending on what website you're looking at, we are nowhere near an extremely greedy situation, which is what we need to see for meme coins to thrive. When we enter that extremely greedy situation, all of these tokens could be ripping higher in value. Therefore, I am excited that I've gained exposure to the top 17 cryptos. If you want a closer look at each one of them, clearly you can't go into it in all of this detail. This video would be an hour long. But nonetheless, you've got a link for this website. You can go out there and Google it as well if you would want. And of course, read through this entire article to get all of the details on all of these projects, which is, well, setting us up for massive gains in this upcoming bull market rally. This is something I'm very excited about. I want to know if you guys are excited about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.